What's up, math fans? It took a very special student to figure out how to get this camera angle better. I didn't get no technology, just moved the camera. Alright, so I want to do a possible test question, something you might have seen on the Regents, something you might see on one of your finals, wink wink. So here's a word problem. I gave you the key words, but it's pretty much the entire word problem. And we're going to solve this word problem using a system of inequalities. On a test, I'm not going to tell you how to do it, but you got to recognize when you see keywords. So I'm going to go through it and underline the keywords. Sum two numbers is more than actually the is more than goes together. It's more than 8. 8's important here. Going to double x added to y is less than 14. So basically it's all the keywords. There was very little fluff in this question. It could have been a word problem based on real life situation, but this is kind of straightforward. Now they want me to graph it, and then they ask you 6-2 a solution. So I'm going to come back to this in a second. If you want me to graph it, that means I need an equation. So let me see here. Sum means add two numbers. I don't know the two numbers is more than 8. There's so many different choices. So I'm going to go with x as my first number or my smaller number, plus y, my second number or my larger number, equals 8, right? Wait a second, is more than 8. So that's not an equal sign. This is not an equation. This is an inequality. Greater than 8. Not greater than or equal to, strictly greater than, because it says is more than, not more than or equal. Second sentence means I'm going to probably need a second inequality. Double x, double means times 2. Looking straight is way better than looking down. Added to y is less than, strictly less than, not less than or equal to, 14. Okay, that's it. I'm ready to graph. So some background knowledge, some other videos you might want to check out is graphing inequalities, graphing systems of inequalities, or even solving literal equations, because in order to graph anything, you need y alone. You need to isolate y. You need the skill or the ability to get y alone, and usually it should look like y equals mx plus b. This is my form, this is my standard form. It doesn't look like that, so you got to do a trick first. So let's see here. I'm going to do the second one. I need to get y alone, so I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides, and hopefully you can see this. I'm going to write a little smaller. This cancels, y drops down, and it's less than 14 minus 2x, also known as negative 2x plus 14. The 14 is positive, the 2x is negative. All right, can you see this here? Yes, fantastic. Next, x plus y is greater than 8. So if x plus y is greater than 8, and I need y alone, I'm going to subtract x on both sides, cancel out the x's, and y is alone. Y is greater than 8 minus x, or negative x plus 8, however makes more sense to you. Okay? Now that I have y alone, I have two equations and I'm ready to graph them. Let me write them in different colors. So the purple one, y greater than negative x plus 8, that'll be my purple line. And then my green, no, I'll go black, y less than negative 2x plus 14, that will be my black line, okay? So let's start with the purple line. If this is in standard form, y equals mx plus b, I know that my b is my starting point, also known as the y-intercept. So I go to the y-axis and I start from 8. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to start here. While I'm here, let me go to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. So I'm going to put a point on 8 in purple. 6, 7, 8. 8 was here in purple. And I'm going to do what the slope tells me to do. And the slope tells me to go, there's a hidden 1 right there as the coefficient. So down 1, over 1. From 8, down 1, over 1, now I'm at 1, 7. Down 1, over 1, now I'm at 2, 6. Down 1, over 1, etc. Get a straight edge and make a line. If you started this, pause it, go get some graph paper. Yours got to be perfect. Mine, I'm just giving you the procedure, so it's not going to be perfect. Get graph paper, make a line with a straight edge, but when you make this line, be careful. This is greater than, not greater than or equal to. So it's everything above the line, but not the actual line. So I show that by making a dotted line, okay? Pause and rewind if you're not sure what I just did. Dotted line, and greater than means everything above the line, so I'm going to shade above. I'm shading above. Black line, where do I start? The B, the 14. So here's, what did I say, 510, here's 14 right there. What do I do from 14? I go down 2 over 1. So here, I'm going down 2 over 1, I'm at 112. Not the singing group, the point. Then I go down 2 over 1, now I'm at 210. This black line is going to have a much steeper slope, sharper, it's coming down sharper than the purple line. On graph paper, if you keep going, you'll see exactly where they cross. But I'm going to stop here and make my line, my dotted line again, because there's no equal sign underneath the less than sign. So here's my dotted line, okay? Which way do I shade? This time I'm going to shade below. Less than means shade below. So down, 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 down. Below the black line. You see where they crisscross, the teeth right here in the middle? That's going to be my solution. S for solution. So it is your job to find any point in there, and that's your solution, as long as the point does not lie on the line, because if it's a dotted line, points on the line don't count as your solution. It's anything below the black, above the purple, anywhere in that middle. All right? So is 6-2 a solution? If you do it on graph paper, you'll know for sure. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your test. See ya.